Hi, Sebastian. Thank you very much for joining us for this interview. How are you today?
Hello, Charles. Thank you for having me. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing great. All right. So, can you tell us a little bit about your background?
Of course. I have no academic financial education, but I would say I'm quite interested in the financial market. So I invest a fair amount of my income into ETFs and dividend stocks. But I always felt like I need something more tangible that is within reach if I need it. So basically, I was looking for a very high yield checkings account. And then about 2 years ago, I joined one of these heavily advertised Telegram communities and I started trading. And as you can probably imagine, I made some big wins within minutes, but I made even bigger losses. So, yeah, I guess you're not really a real trader if you don't blow your account once at least.
I know what you mean. All right. And how did you find us? How did you end up finding Value Trading?
Well, I really enjoyed the trading, but uh, following all the signals and putting it in manually, it was quite a hassle. So I thought there has to be something to automate this, and I started doing some research. I came across, I think it was on YouTube, uh, Petko Alexandrov and Lisa Forex, who were doing reviews of the Perceptrader. So yeah, that kind of got the ball rolling, and that's how I found your website.
Got it. And did you had any objections or hesitations? What were your thoughts before joining?
Well, of course, obviously there were many worries, or not really a fear, but as it is not a territory I'm familiar with, or I wasn't, it was, of course, very concerning at first when you see the price tag. The Perceptrader and also the other EAs are quite um, expensive or more costly compared to other solutions who apparently offer the same results or even better. And yeah, there are also some critics about the martingale system. So it got me a bit concerned. Is this really uh, all peaches? And is it really as good as it sounds? You don't have to do anything. But since you offered this 30-day money back guarantee, and I think it was Savel, who's also the moderator of the Telegram community, he replied really fast on my emails when I was testing. So it was kind of a no-brainer in the end, because I always, when I make investments, I outweigh what have I spent on partying in the past. Can I not at least spend the same amount on my growth and personal development? So yeah.
Got it. And at the end, what was the ultimate thing that made you actually decide to stay? Because you had the 30-day money guarantee. So, what made you stay?
I would say the money for me was already spent, so I just looked at how it was performing. I tried around with different set files, and the profitability, it wasn't tremendously high, but it was consistent. It performed well, and also the support. Not to forget, support was very good. Even in the Telegram groups, you can ask anything, and other members, I don't know, share their experience or give help with how to set your set files. So after trying, I didn't really have any doubts if I should continue or not. it just worked out fine.
All right, perfect. Would you mind sharing a little bit about your results and in explaining how was your experience?
Not at all.
All right. So explain us what we're looking at here.
Let me put this into full screen. Yeah. So on my trading account, this is my live trading account. I started with 2.5k, a balance of 2.5k approximately. And I have the Perceptrader and the Golden Pickaxe running. Right now, it's only the Perceptrader because there was a huge drawdown, unfortunately, in the beginning of this year. So I switched to low risk standard settings, which is linked in your dashboard. And yeah, as we can see, it's performing rather consistently so far. I'm very happy with the profit. And can
Can you
I
scroll
scroll
down?
down, or is it?
Yes.
Okay, sorry, I thought it's linked to your.
Now.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we can see it. Yes.
Okay, so this is the since the beginning of the year. It's January 1st, year to date, and here we can see that it was every month is profitable except February. Yeah, I
So
mean,
you're filtering on in this chart, you're filtering all the trades for Perceptrader, correct?
yes, exactly. So to review here the performance of this year, as you can see, we had a monthly profit of about 2.5%. Daily profit is quite low, but it's consistent, and the drawdown, in my opinion, was kept at a pretty good uh, minimum. So yeah, I'm very happy with that so far.
All right. Well, and would you, if I'd say, would you recommend our products? What would you say to a colleague, to a friend, or to maybe to our viewers? They're looking at us right now.
Definitely, yes, 100%. I probably wouldn't recommend it to anyone who is not um, into investing in general, or who's very risk averse, because there is a lot of risk connected to trading, in my opinion. But if you can handle your emotions, yeah, I would definitely recommend it, because if you grow your account 2% monthly, I mean, that's not bad. I have seen it. It can perform even better with the with another EA. I had 1% daily until I threw my emotions into the trading and I risked everything. Of course, I lost it, but uh, yes, for me, it's 100% recommendation.
Got it. And how you feel about now leaving the EA do all the work for you?
Oh, it's very relaxing, to be honest. I check the MetaTrader every day, but and I still get a bit nervous when there is a higher grid and it keeps opening and opening, and you just don't see how the market is going to reverse. You don't see it happening, but eventually it happens. And also, if your account size is big enough, I don't think you have to be too worried about anything, because as we saw, the drawdown was 20%, and that is a very comfortable range for me.
Using that low risk. All right. Is there anything you'd like to share or say that we haven't asked or discussed during our interview?
No, just thank you to the team. The support, it really is very great. And to anyone who wants to try this, just be aware of the risk and don't get too um, don't get too impatient or greedy as I was maybe a few months ago. It's all going to work out fine if you stick to it.
All right. Well, Sebastian, thank you very much for your time. I really enjoyed our interview, and I hope to see you very soon.
Thank you as well, Charles.
All right. Bye bye.
Bye.